Yes, welcome to the here, and right now I just want to tell you something, and there was a blizzard a little while ago. Don't mind that. Okay, so yeah. This is like my window. I piled it up with a bunch of stuffed animals, including January. Oh, actually January, I just found her a while ago. She was missing, like, all the time. I'll be like playing with her, and then I'll leave her somewhere stupid and forget about her. Just because I forget a lot and I'm weird. My window's broken, so I had to put these away. Now that's Cookie. I got her last Christmas, and Gogo, I got her a while ago. Yeah. There's Socks. My Webkinz. Littlekin striped alley cat. There's her butt tag. Yeah. Wow. This video has only been about, what, 2 minutes right now? 3, actually. Yeah. I got that last Christmas, and it still smells good. I also have another one. Where is it? Where'd it go? Is it in my closet? In my closet. Right there. I got it a while ago. I got it a while ago at Bath & Body Works, and I was Christmas shopping. I know. It was really early for Christmas shopping. There wasn't even snow on the ground yet when I did. So. But there was Santa Claus at the mall that Bath & Body Works was in. Yeah. Well, anyways, I don't want this video too long. I'm not... Okay, right now it's been 10 minutes. No, not 10 minutes. I have 10 minutes left. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye! Yeah. That was long. Okay, see this?